Hey guys. Oh, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching again. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel and join the Vanilla family. And please don't forget to turn on your post notification bells. Even the people that have subscribed but have not turned on their notification bells, please do that so that whenever I post, you're the first person to know. So the notification bell is next to the subscribe button. You just have to click on that bell and you're ready to go. Okay, so I have flu, so my voice sounds a bit weird. Like I'm sick, guys. I'm still sick, but I feel so much better today, so I decided to shoot a video. And the lighting is getting weird because it keeps on shifting. So I'm using natural lighting, so it's gonna change a lot. I hope you guys are not gonna mind that. So yeah, let's just do the things. Okay guys, so first thing first, I think I'm gonna install my hair before like I do my makeup. So this is the hair. This is the hair that I'm gonna wear. Oh my gosh, like I'm so excited. So these are jerry curls. These are called jerry curls. And then I bought this wig at Dragon City. Yeah, so I bought this wig at Dragon City, and the shop number is U10. Yes, it's U number 10. So that's where I bought this wig, and honestly it's giving. I'm so happy. As you can see, it's a full wig, and this is what I wanted, to be quite honest, because some people sell hair but it's not full. Like I prefer my hair full. I prefer my curls full. So I don't want a wig that looks like it has one bundle, like. So I actually bought 3 bundles and a closure. So the closure is a 10-inch closure, but then this wig is a 12-inch wig. So the bundles were 12-inch and the closure was 10-inch. So let me tell you something. When you buy the wig, they give you an 8-inch, but then I was lucky because when I got there, they were actually out of an 8-inch closure, so they gave me a 10-inch closure, and they also made the wig for me. Yeah, they made the wig for me. So this is how it looks inside, and I'm honestly happy. So this is how it looks inside. Yeah, and then the only part that is a lace is the closure. So the rest of the wig is not actually a lace, like inside, because some wigs, guys, we have dogs, so they might make noise. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so yeah, this is how the wig looks like it from the inside. But then I'm honestly not mad because it doesn't have an entire lace, because some wigs have like lace all over. Because I feel like this is really great for beginners. So I'm not angry. I'm not angry. So I feel like it's great because I can just put on the wig, without needing glue or anything like that. Let me show you, because this wig just lays itself. What am I saying? It lays itself. What I'm trying to say is that, let me show you, even if you don't put on glue, I honestly think it works. As you can see, this is how it looks like. So obviously if I'm gonna pull it up, you'll see, but then if I leave it like this, then you won't even tell that I did not put on glue. So I feel like this wig is so easy to work with because you can just put it on. You don't have to like do a lot. So let me just, okay, so I think day before yesterday I washed the wig, and it was looking like an afro, but then you'll see what I'm trying to say. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna wear my pantyhose. Yeah, I'm gonna wear my pantyhose. I don't know what you guys call it, but we call it a pantyhose. Okay, so this is how the wig looks. It doesn't have I didn't put water on it or anything like that. So if you want to lay your closure, or if you want it to stick, you can, but honestly it doesn't move, so there's no need. But then if you want to, then it's okay. So I bought glue, but then I don't think I'm gonna use it today because it's gonna be a waste. I'm honestly not going anyway. I bought got to be glue. Yeah, so like I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna remove the wig after shooting. Then I also bought this mousse. I'm going to be trying this mousse for the first time. I also have a bottle of water. I'm going to flash you guys. I'm happy, like my wig is so full even when it's wet. As you can see guys, like currently it's wet, but it's giving. Let's do my makeup. So I'm gonna go in with this foundation. I am going in with the Fit Me foundation in the shade 334, which is warm 10. So like I decided to do my eyes and put on some lashes. The lashes are from LA_Beauty Cosmetics, from my business of course. So these are the lashes. This is how they look. I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me. I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me concealer. And then I'm gonna go in with this contour stick. The powder that I'm using. I'm gonna go in with this. So this is a matte polish king powder. Yeah, this is just powder that you can use to like tap all over your face, but then this one is dark and it's so cute. Yo, the packaging is so cute, guys. I'm full of nash. Like, I really like it, hey. Like, it's really nice. Oh, my mirror as well. But Mina, I'm gonna use it for contouring. You know, if I wanna have that contour snatched. Yeah. You see, it's giving. Yo, like, it's honestly giving. Ooh. It's stunning. I'm not sure. And just clean up. And then I'm gonna go in with my setting spray. And I just love how the hair turned out, to be quite honest. And even the makeup, like, everything is just giving. I mean, honey. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, because I enjoyed making this look. I enjoyed doing my hair, I enjoyed doing my makeup, and I hope you guys enjoyed everything. And please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Make sure that you join the Vanilla family, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe.